Welcome to a demonstration of Power Governance, a new green IT product from Protirus. Power Governance is a Symantec verified solution which utilizes the Symantec Management Platform framework. As an administrator, you can decide when to suspend, hibernate and shut down PCs with Power Governance's simple setup screens, which offer full granularity and choice. Choose to manage power settings on individual PCs, by department or company-wide. This demonstration shows the many configuration options of Power Governance, allowing administrators fine-grained control over the power management of client PCs on their corporate network. Power Governance integrates into the Symantec Management Console and adds pages allowing you to define the rules for power state events. We begin in the Application Configuration screen. Here you can add auto-saving support for any non-standard applications using our Send Keys functionality. In addition, a critical application set can be created, allowing any essential applications that must never be killed to be defined. The next screen shows Power Governance's Business Hours configuration screen. Define sets of business hours, allowing alternate power profiles to be enforced in or out of your company's working hours. Business hours can also be used in cost calculations, for example if power tariffs differ during the day and night. Holiday sets can also be defined, with any holidays counting as out of business hours. The next two screens allow the definition of power profiles and how they are enforced. Power profile options match the familiar Windows power scheme options. Different power profiles can be enforced using a combination of the business hours options and whether the PC has access to the Symantec management server, used to work out whether the PC is on the business network or being used at an employee's home. Finally, the rules for the power state events can be set. Here you can select which applications have any open work automatically saved from the set of built-in supported applications or any user-defined ones. Choose which power state events trigger the saving of open work and whether the user is allowed to postpone a power state event. To apply these rules to a set of computers, a configuration client policy is created. Here, localized settings are defined, allowing combinations of settings to be applied relevant to the location and type of client PC. Select which set of business hours and holidays are applied, the location and maximum size of the file archive location, and which power profile is to be used. Through this screen, the text to be displayed on Power Governance's end-user consoles can be set, allowing Power Governance to be deployed in any required language. In addition, Power Governance can be set to run in inventory-only mode. This can be useful for initially collecting power usage data for client PCs, allowing the true cost benefits of running Power Governance to be seen by comparing before and after inventory data. The free 30-day Power Governance trial uses this functionality. Half of the allocated trial period runs in inventory-only mode and half with power states being applied. A report can then be run, allowing the customer to see the actual savings of running the Power Governance solution. If you would like further information on how Power Governance can integrate into your Symantec environment, please call +44 0191 211 1946 or email info@protirus.com.